All right, good afternoon. This is Mike with Compass Heating and Air. We just came back and put in a Daikin One Thermostat. We installed a Daikin FIT just a couple weeks ago. I'm waiting for this beauty to come out. You can see we're in cooling now, so you have the blue glow at the bottom. There's many settings you can do on here. You have your air quality. You can check the indoor air quality. There's also outdoor air quality. Be having a sensor that we'll be able to add later this summer coming out that will be able to tell everything that's inside as far as VOCs and particulates and everything as well, so it'll be exactly what it is air quality wise, as opposed to just humidity and temperature. Go down and take a look at the furnace as well. When this guy's in heating mode, that little glow underneath will be red as well, so you'll be able to easily identify what mode you're in. And here we have the furnace.
Yeah,
Daikin 80%.
I know.
This is your EEV coil, which you use with the Daikin FIT system in order to control everything as far as the. Sorry, I'm trying to get the picture of this guy in here. It's got the EEV and the controls, so everything can be controlled that way with regard to your air conditioning, what speed you're at, how much refrigerant you need metered. 1 second, get my boots off here, my covers. So, fingers right there. These FIT units are super exciting. They're kind of quiet, really small, and fit in some areas when you're looking at high efficiency. This particular guy here, we're fixing to get to. This is a 18 SEER that we installed a couple weeks ago, but he's running right here. So nice and pleasant when you're nice and close to patio, or just don't want to hear your air conditioner running. Also see the space that it occupies. It's just over 13 and a half inches front to back. Very quiet, very nice unit. We're really super excited with these guys, and look forward to doing quite a few of them. Got a number of them in already, and everybody loves them. So if you're looking for something that's going to fit in your space and you want to have high efficiency, looks like the Daikin is the way to go. Nice unit hooked up to a existing ducted system and communicating with the furnace. And you saw the Daikin One Thermostat upstairs. It's Mike with Compass Heating and Air. Have a great afternoon.